Create, animate, collaborate. Good day everyone, I am Miss Sage and in this video, I will be helping you explore Google Slides. Together, let's create beautiful, impactful, and inspiring presentation. So what is Google Slide? Google Slide is a presentation tool. It is an application that allows you to easily collaborate and share presentations with text, photo, audio, or video files. It's hosted online and can be accessed in a web browser from any device with an internet connection. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn the following. Create and import files, add content and edit your presentation, insert photo, video, and audio files, add background, animation, and transition, share and collaborate on files, print and download presentation, and lastly, give a presentation with Google Slides. This video tutorial is brought to you by ISKOF Cares.
Good day everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Sage and in this video, we're going to explore Google Slides. So the first thing we need to do is open a web browser and on the address bar, type slides.google.com, then press enter. And as you've seen, we've been redirected to the login page or sign-in page of Google Slides. So just type your email. In my case, I will just use my iskof.edu.ph account. Then click next or press enter. Then type your password. Then click next or press enter. And now we've been successfully logged in to our email account, then we've been redirected to the homepage of Google Slides. To start creating a new presentation, click on the plus sign. But before we fully explore the features of Google Slides, let's first familiarize its user interface. So this right here is the title bar, right here is the menu bar, then this right here is the toolbar. The first feature that I will be demonstrating to you is how to import a file. So click File located on the menu bar, then click Open. For example, let's upload or import a PowerPoint file. So I will just click upload, then select a file from your device. In my case, I will just select the Google Docs, then click open. And let's wait for it to be done uploading. And now, as you can see, we've successfully imported our PowerPoint slide presentation into a Google Slide presentation. However, if you want to start from scratch, click on the title bar, then rename your file. In my case, I will just rename it as robotics. And now let's change the background of our slide. So in order to do that, click background located in the toolbar. Then we may choose to change the color or we may choose an image as our background. So let's first demonstrate how to change the color of the background. So in my case, I'll just choose this color. Then I'll just click done. And now to set an image as our background, click again on background. Then this time choose image and let's upload a file. Let's select browse. Then let's choose this file, this local file. Then click open. And click done. As you can see, we have set an image as our background. And now we can start adding text to our document. In my case, I will just add a title. And after that, we can edit the text. So if we want to change the font style, highlight the text first, then click on this part of the toolbar, then choose the font style you want. In my case, I'll just choose Railway. And then we can also increase or decrease our font size. So in my case, I'll just set it to 58 and click enter. As you can see, our text got bigger. So we may also bold the text and italicize it. We may also underline the text, and we may also change the color of the text. Let's say we want it to be orange. So there. As you can see, the changes are automatically saved into the drive. And now to apply some more editing and formatting to this text, we need to highlight it. Then if we want to change the highlight color, click on the toolbar, then choose the color that you want. Example, this color. And there. You may also want to change the theme of the presentation. To do that, click theme on the toolbar. Then choose the theme that you want. In my case, I'll just choose this. So there. As you can see, the changes has been made. Next, if you want to change the alignment and justification of the text, the first thing you need to do is highlight the text and then go to this part in the toolbar. Then choose from left align, center align, right align, and justify. You may also select top, middle, or bottom align. So the next thing that I will demonstrate to you is how to create a bulleted or a numbered list. To do that, first highlight the text and then go to this part in the toolbar for the bulleted list. And there, as you can see, we have now a bulleted list. We can also change the layout. Let's change it into this. And there. However, if you want to change it into a numbered list, click this part in the toolbar, and there. It is now a numbered list. It can also be changed. So the layout can be also changed into this and there. Next, I will be demonstrating to you how to insert image, table, drawing, and more. So, to do that, click Insert located at the menu bar. Then, example, I want to insert an image and I want to search the web for that image. So, let's say I want to search for robotics and I want to add this image right here. Then, click Insert. And there, as you can see, we've added an image from the web into our presentation. So let's try again inserting an image, but this time let's upload from our computer. So let's say I want this local file to be imported into our presentation. Then click open. And there you go, we have added the image from our local computer to the presentation. You may also want to resize the image if you want. Next, let's try inserting a video. So to do that, click insert, then click video. Then let's try searching a video by URL. So I'm just gonna paste a URL here and then click select. And now, as you can see, we've successfully added a YouTube video to our Google Slides. Okay. There. You can also insert text box, audio, shape, tables, charts, diagram, word art, and line to your presentation. And now let's try adding some transition to our Google Slides. To do that, go to the toolbar, then select transition, and then choose the type of transition you want. So right here, click here, and then choose the transition that you want. So let's say I wanted to set it as dissolve. So there. And then let's try playing it. There. As you can see, the transition has been added into our Google Slides. You may also want to add animations to your object. To do that, click transition again. Then click on the object you want to animate. Then click add animation. And then choose the animation that you want to apply into the object. Let's try fly in from right. So this action will be performed if you click the slide. So let's try playing it. And there, as you can see, the animation has been added into our Google Slides. The next thing that I will be demonstrating to you is how to share your presentation to other people. So there are two ways to do that. First, you can go to File, then click Share, and then you can type the email of the person you want to share your files to. Or the other option is you go here and then type the email of the person you want to share your presentation to. Then you may also want to change the access. It's either the person can view, comment, or edit the document or the presentation. So in my case, I'll just choose editor so that we can collaborate. Then select send. As you can see, a notification. And now let's see if the other person has been notified that we want to share the file. So let's go to the email. So here, as you can see, that we have an unread email here. Then we want to open it. And then click open. And there you can see that we can now edit the document. Since you've been added as an editor, you can now edit the presentation. You can add slides. You can edit the font style. And you can also change the font size. You can now also add comment to the presentation. And to do that, click on the object, then click Add Comment located in the toolbar, then type your comment. Let's say, change the font style. And add one more paragraph. And then click comment. So the other person will be notified about the comment that you have added. And now if we go to the slide, you can now see the comments of the other person. And if you click it, you can also reply to it. Let's just reply OK. And then click reply. The other person will also see your comment. And now, let's try to download our file. So click File located at the menu bar, then click Download, then choose the format of the file you want to download your presentation to. So in my case, I'll just choose Microsoft PowerPoint and click. And as you can see, it is now downloaded. And we'll try to open it. And there. So next, I'll demonstrate how to print. So click File, located at the menu bar, then click Print. Or simply press Ctrl plus P. And then click. You can also add notes to your presentation. To do that, just click here and add some text. And finally, we can now start presenting our presentation. So to do that, click Present. And there you have it. I hope that you have learned from this tutorial, and I also encourage you to use Google Slides if you want to collaborate in real time. This video tutorial is brought to you by ISKOF Cares.
And we're done. Now, I have a task for you. Select a topic and create a presentation about it. Make sure to use templates and themes. Insert photo, video, or audio files to your slides. Add background, animation, and transition. Share your output to collaborate with other people. Download the presentation and upload it into our Google Classroom. Make sure to use your iskov.edu.ph account in making the activity. Have fun!